Hey everybody, Bruce Chamoff of Become a Successful Podcaster, also the founder of the World Podcast Network, coming to you with another video and another audio podcast together. This is going to go on YouTube. I would love you to thumb this up. And I'm trying to do as many podcast episodes as I possibly can. I just have been very busy with the podcast network. So now I'm trying to really do what I can to give you the information that you need to succeed with your podcast. Like us on Apple and rate us. I really think it's cool. If your podcast is not on World Podcast Network yet, go to worldpodcast.network and add your podcast. So I'm recording this right now on Zoom. And a lot of podcasters, they come to me, they tell me they don't know how to do video and audio at the same time. But you see a lot of podcasters doing it. You see a lot of YouTubers doing it. They have the camera, they have the microphone. This is a great microphone. By the way, I have another episode coming up on the best podcast mics. I actually do have a lot. My phone is ringing. Hold on a second. Let me put this on pause just for a minute. All right, that was a very important phone call, and you probably saw me shift as the call was coming in. So, to get back to it, I see a lot of podcasters. They do audio. They're really good at audio. They don't know how to transition into video podcasts. Now, there are so many ways to do this. I'm doing it in Zoom. I have a Zoom account. I'm paying monthly, not a lot of money, and I set up a meeting and then I record to my computer. Now, right now, I have Zoom on. This microphone is right here. And I think I said I was interrupted by the phone call. I'm going to do another episode on all the microphones I have and what the best podcast microphone is. Anyway, so let's get back into it. Right now, I have Zoom on, and I'm looking down at my controls. I have share. I record. I hit the record button. I turned on my camera, as you can see. And what I'm doing is just recording it into Zoom. And then I'm going to save down to my computer. Then I'm going to save this as an audio podcast. And voila, I have my audio, I have my video podcast. Now, you can transition very well into video podcasting with Zoom. It's very easy. But if you don't want to do Zoom, you don't have a Zoom account, that's fine. You can do what a lot of YouTubers are doing. They take their phone. Now, I'm taking my phone here. Okay, and you can see this in the camera. And you set it up with a special stand. And you put the stand right on your desk, and then you record the audio right in to like a DAW. And a DAW is digital audio workstation. You can do like Audacity. Most podcasters are using Audacity, and I think that video podcasters use Audacity too. So it's a cool thing for you to do, and I think it's really just a great way to podcast. So again, Zoom, or you can use Audacity with a combination of your cell phone and use your smartphone's camera, and that's how I do it. Now, I would love to know in the YouTube comments when you're reading this or watching this, what you do to record your videos and do video podcasting, and how you transition from being an audio podcast. Now, that's it for this. Now I can tell you right now, it's working out very well. You see, I'm in Zoom. I'm doing it. I have a great background. Look. And I think this is working out really well for me. And this is how I do my videos. I haven't done much YouTube videos, but I'm transitioning into video podcasting slowly. And this is a great way to do it. Okay, anyway, rate us on Apple, sign up on worldpodcast.network, and I would love to hear in the comments how you record your video podcast. Okay, talk to you soon. See you in the next episode of Become a Successful Podcaster with Bruce Chamoff.